1400. That's the number of drawings I have left to complete my self-made challenge to draw 1415 drawings. That's the number of drawings I chose to draw from the first 4 digits of pi after the decimal point. I know that is not a small number, but that's the number I chose anyway. The 15 drawings that I have completed so far, I think this is the best one ever. It took me about 1 hour and 30 minutes to complete. I'm not drawing from memory or imagination, I'm just copying stuff from others. There's no shame in that, since I'm still learning. So I was reading the Frieren manga for some time now. I took some screenshots of the things that I thought I could draw. The simple ones, of course. This is one of them from the screenshots. I have just begun learning how to draw, from the very beginning. There's plenty of very good quality tutorials on drawings. There are some good channels on drawings too. After watching them, I learned the basics like 1-point perspective, 2-point perspective, vanishing points, etc. There will be some time before I can finish drawing all the 1400s in my self-made challenge. Even if I am just copying drawings from mangas that I read from time to time, I think I'm seeing some improvements in my drawing skills. Of course, I know that's too early for me to say. I think continuous practice will make my drawings even better. You all are invited to witness my improvements as I try to finish my challenge.